Little technical difficulties ongoing here. Well, the carpet's coming pretty clean. I wish we had a really badly stained carpet because it'd be a lot more exciting to watch. Of course, it'd be kind of bad for us because we'd have to work a lot harder, but I hope you're having a good time and watching this carpet be transformed. Take a little quick look back at this other room. Yeah, everything looks good. We're going to rake this with the carpet rake whenever we get finished. So now it's okay if you some people like the look of the machine marks and everything after a carpet cleaning. We don't do it just because we want to make the carpet look as uniform as possible, and it also helps aid final drying if you use a rake and rake the carpet. But we don't want to leave any footprints and things like that behind, so it has a nice first impression when people walk in. But it's not 100% necessary that you do that, but we just like to do it. That's just we've been doing it a long time, and we like the way the final look of the carpets when it's done. I know some people, they want to see proof that the machine's been everywhere, so they want to see the marks left behind. So it's basically a preference between whoever's doing the carpet and what the people want for a final look. There's still some prints in the carpet for furniture. We don't really mess with that stuff. A lot of people do take those out, but it's not something we really...
You can get prints out of a carpet with steam, with hot, like an iron.
Yeah.
Steam will take those prints up usually.
Some people use ice cubes and everything, but we don't really mess with the furniture imprints. We just clean the carpet and leave that stuff alone. We got doors that won't stay open.
Hang on here, I got it before.
This is the last room. It's just a little bit dingy looking. It's not really any bad stains, but just an overall dull look to the carpet. And so this is going to be something that we're going to improve here in a second.
Hold the door open until I get, so I don't need it. Shut the door up first. Get behind it. And somebody got paint on the carpet.
That's always neat.
This room's a little dark, so it may not look that good on camera. We can't get a lot of light in here.
Yeah, when you're doing apartment carpets, one of the nice things is maintenance guys, sometimes they drop a little paint here and there and you don't see it. A really fun thing too is a little bit of drywall compound. As soon as you hit that, it makes a nice white smear. And you know, just another thing to have to deal with.
One thing you might notice if you've used those machines you buy like at Walmart and all them places, if you notice how I can just steer directions with this anytime I want to, you can't really do that with those, but I can go like this, and you can maneuver real quickly, and that's another thing we like about this. The maneuverability of it. Plus with those rug doctors and all that, they're nice machines, but you can't really just hover over a spot and clean it like this. This is nice because you can stick it in one spot and just clean until the spot's done and then move on. Oh, in case any of you wonder, I came behind the closet door before we turned the camera on, so I didn't have to shut the door during the filming. I'm sure a lot of you saw me go in the closet and not shut the door.
We don't talk about things like that.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'll try some different angles so you can get, maybe the lighting will improve a little bit. A lot of these carpets, this is what you might consider contractor grade carpet, and it's what they put in a, you know, less expensive newer house. Apartments use it. And sometimes even though the carpet isn't really dirty, it just has this quality where it wears out after it's 3 or 4 years old, just from people walking on it. Even people that vacuum their carpets a lot, keep them really clean. It just gets to where it becomes dull and lifeless. It doesn't have the springiness in it anymore. And that's kind of what you're seeing a little bit in here. We're fluffing the carpet up, and then as we're walking around, moving the machine around, it tramples it back down pretty fast. And that's just an unfortunate thing with carpet when it starts to be worn out. There's only so much you can do with that. We're going to rake it so it looks really nice. And hopefully the people moving in, they'll enjoy it for a while. And if it starts looking trampled down, they won't notice it so much. But yeah, we're going to get the rake and rake the carpets. And then I'll show you the finished results. Oh, and check the video description below, because I'm going to put links in there for the Oreck and for the attachments that we were using. And I'm going to go ahead and put a link in for the Grandeur Groom carpet rake, which is right here. And you'll see what the results are like on that when I get done with it. And check down there, and also please hit like. And if you have a question or comment, you know, don't forget to leave those for us. And of course, we'd like you to subscribe so that you get all these videos as quickly as we upload them. Yeah, we'll be back I'm gonna go rake the carpets real quickly and get everything put away, and then we'll show you the end results. So keep watching.